Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide or disable the dock on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, just click on this Apple logo and then select system settings here. And then when you scroll down a little on the left hand side, you will see this section which says desktop and dock. So just click on that. And here you will see under desktop and dock few options to adjust your dock settings, like you can increase or decrease the size of the dock. You can also enable, disable or increase or decrease the magnification of the icons on your dock. Also, when you go a little bit down, you will see this setting which says automatically hide and show the dock, right? So by default, it's disabled. That means that the dock is always visible. But when you enable this, you can see the dock is now gone or hidden. Now, to bring back the dock, you just need to hover at the bottom and dock comes again. So you can open whatever apps you want to open. And then once you're done, and when you go out of the dock or when your mouse hover goes out of your dock, it just goes away, right? So in order to open an app, you just need to hover in this bottom section of your Mac screen, and then once you are done with the dock and when your mouse goes out of the dock, it goes away. So this is how you can hide your dock on your Mac operating system. To bring back the dock, the setting is simple. You just need to disable it and your dock will be visible always. So this is the setting for that, automatically hide and show the dock. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.